Hello everyone, in this video we'll be taking a look on how to perform a child lock on the back door of Toyota Sienna 2014. So this is the 2014 Sienna Toyota interior. So if you look on all the mechanical or physical buttons, you don't find a child lock over here, and the child lock is present at the back door. Now this is the back door. This is basically a sliding door, and the child lock is present over here. As you can see, this is the symbol of the child lock. So this is child and this is lock, and it says if you do it down, then it is a child lock. So here is the button. As you can see, this is like a lever button. It is currently at the top position, and if you are going to do it down, it is going to do child lock. So what happens when the car is child locked? It means that the back doors, which are the sliding doors in case of the Toyota Sienna 2014, those cannot be opened from the inside. Now if there are no children, if you do not have children, and if the children are not going to sit in your car, then you can keep it at the top position. That means the people who are sitting at the back, they can open the car door from inside the car. Okay, so that's about the child lock. Now in case you want it to be child lock, push it down and no one can open it from the inside. I hope you like this video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.